Hi, I'm Margaret, and today I'm going to show you a cheats recipe for a beautiful chocolate cake. I'm starting with a devil's food cake mix, and I'm sieving it into the bowl because when they settle they do get a little bit lumpy. The same with chocolate fudge brownie mix, a couple of eggs, a little bit of water, some oil, and for creaminess, just a small amount of Greek yogurt. And that's really all there is to it. I'm going to use my little hand mixer here to make it well mixed in. I've mixed it for about 2 minutes, that's all. And once that's done, we just need a few chocolate chips. Let's mix them in. And it's ready to go into the cake pan. I need to make a little circle for the bottom of this cake pan. And this is quite a quick way of doing it. Pop the point in the middle and then cut a little curve that will make the circle to go in the base. A little bit of butter will help it stick, and round the sides to stop the cake from sticking. There we go, right in the centre. Doesn't matter if it's a little bit too big. Then in with the cake mix and into the oven. Now once it's completely cool, use a little knife to run round the edge of the cake. Turn it over and let's get that paper off. Now this is a beautifully soft cake. That brownie mix has made it a beautiful texture. So the first job is to split it down the middle. And you can see by the amount of cake mixture that's coming out of the side here, all these crumbs, how beautifully soft it is. Now I want to make this nice and orangey. So I'm going to use the last little bit of the orange curd I've made. The recipe's up at the top here. Pop on the top. And to decorate, let's just get rid of some of those crumbs. There we go. And to decorate the cake, I've used the quick chocolate topping I made last week. I'll pop the link to the recipe down below. Pop it right into the centre. And then using a knife, I'm just going to let it fall over the sides in a very casual drip. Maybe a little bit more. There's a spot there I think I need to fill. Tiny bit more to get the drip a little bit more even. There we go. Okay. Now to decorate the top, I'm using Terry's chocolate orange pieces. I found some milk ones and also some lovely white chocolate ones that come in a bag. I've popped 12 of each along the top. And that's it. A beautifully quick chocolate orange cake. Thanks so much for joining me this week. Have a good one, and I'll catch you very soon.